Would is most commonly used to create conditional verb forms. It also serves as the past form of the modal verb will. Additionally, would can indicate repetition in the past. This exercise talks about the habits we had in the past using modals. Find if the sentences are grammatically correct.
When I was a child, we were always going to the seaside for our holidays. False. My little sister was always crying when she was a baby. True. I remember my grandmother would sat knitting for hours. False. When your father was a boy, he was always getting into trouble. True. Mummy says that when I was a baby, I would be laughed to myself for hours. False. Daddy says that I wouldn't wear shoes. True. In those days, people would have never called each other by their first names. False. People would walk a long way to get to work in those days. True. As there is no safety, accidents would happen quite often on the roads. False. He would have tea with her family. True.